In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install 7-Zip on Windows. If you've ever needed to open a compressed file or save space by packing files into an archive, 7-Zip is a great free and open source tool that does the job quickly and reliably on Windows. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type 7-Zip and press enter. You'll see several results, but you want the official website. Look for the result that clearly indicates the official 7-Zip site with a simple, trustworthy address. Avoid links that look like ads or third-party download portals, as the safest and most up-to-date installer will always be on the official page. Once you're on the official site, find the section that lists the Windows downloads. You'll typically see options for different system types. Most modern Windows computers use the 64-bit version, often labeled x64. If you're using a newer PC, that's likely the one you want. If you're unsure, don't worry. Choosing the 64-bit version is correct for most users today. Click the download link next to the appropriate Windows version. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file. If the browser asks where to save it, select your downloads folder or accept the default location. You can keep the tab open while the download completes. It's usually a small file and finishes quickly. After the file is downloaded, open your downloads folder or use your browser's downloads list to locate the installer. It will have a name that includes 7-Zip and the version number. Double-click the file to launch the installer. If Windows shows a security or user account control prompt asking if you want to allow changes, choose Yes. The 7-Zip setup window will appear with a simple, no-nonsense installer. You'll see the installation path at the top. Unless you have a specific reason to change it, the default location is perfectly fine. Click the Install button to begin. You'll see a quick progress bar, and within a moment or two, the installation will complete. When you see the confirmation, click Close to exit the installer. That's all there is to it. You've successfully installed 7-Zip on your Windows PC. From here, you can use it whenever you need to open the compressed files or create your own archives. Keeping installers and downloads from official sources helps ensure your system stays secure and your tools work as expected. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using 7-Zip for fast, reliable file compression and extraction on Windows.